Hey guys, welcome to Solutions Room. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and effective hack on how to clean the soles or the rubber of your shoes and trainers. Let's go. So here's my shoe that had a white rubber or sole, whatever you want to call it. This obviously catches dirt and the white then changes colour. To remove this, all you will need is some cotton wool and a nail varnish remover. Just grab your cotton wool and put some remover on the cotton wool. Now start rubbing this against the rubber and wait for the magic. Just look at all that dirt that's come off. That's it, you guys. It's as simple as that. If you use any other method to clean your outsoles, the rubber of your shoe, the sole, then tell me in the comments below. I would love to try what you guys do. That's all for today, you guys. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone in need, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any solution. Bye for now.